Hello, my dear. You are so very much welcome to Owusu's Kitchen. In today's video, we are going for all things healthy. 1 cup of this yummy goodness, and your whole body is in luck. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I would recommend you take this smoothie first thing in the morning, an hour or two before you have your breakfast, or 2 hours after your breakfast for it to work properly. As you can see, the first ingredient to go in is papaya. I always say that this fruit is underrated. It is incredibly nutritious. It contains numerous enzymes, including papain. The papain in papaya helps to break down stubborn carbohydrates and protein to aid with digestion. And with the amount of water and fiber content in this fruit, it would be surprising if it didn't aid digestion. It surely does. It will help flush out toxins from your system and help clean you from inside out. It has a powerful antioxidant effect. It has anti-cancer properties according to research. It may help improve heart health. It fights inflammation and may also help against skin damage. So it is really powerful fruit. If you eat this regularly, you are definitely working towards an healthier gut and colon system. Okay, the next ingredients are oranges, which needs no introduction. It is easily accessible. It is incredibly high in fiber and has several health benefits as well, including again digestion health, and it aids in weight loss. Oranges are particularly high in soluble fiber as well. You know, the kind of fiber that helps lower cholesterol level. So by all means, grab some. And as you can see, we are including all the fiber. So I just peeled it and I've chopped it into pieces. I went for seedless oranges. But if yours have seeds, be sure to remove them. Yet, so the times that we live in definitely calls for healthy eating. So my dear, indulge in this to strengthen your immunity and fight off infections and diseases. And the next thing we will be adding to this smoothie is ginger. Yes, ginger as well needs no introduction. We all know of how amazing ginger is in helping with digestion and flushing out bad stuff from our system. So if you are not a fan of ginger, you can use half as much as what I am using and you are good to go. I am going to blend everything together in a regular blender. And because of the water content in the papaya and the oranges, you can do this without adding any water, but it might be difficult to blend initially. Just take it and shake it for the blender to propel just fine. I have more room now, so I'll add the remaining papaya. Normally, when I'm doing a small batch, I put everything in a blender without necessarily blending it individually. So this is ready. I'll pour it in a bowl and blend the oranges and show you how it looks like together. Start your day off like this, have this for your breakfast and your day will just go perfect. It is packed with all these goodness we talked about, and it is quick and easy to make and affordable, but it does wonders to our bodies. And if today is your first time stopping here, hello, you are so very much welcome. I hope you do like it in here to subscribe. I'll put them together and give it a mix. Mix it well to incorporate everything together. And my dear, you are ready to go. I do hope you love this yummy, healthy thing going on here. If you do, be sure to give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel so you see more of this. Thank you so very much for staying with me until the end. I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, make some and enjoy the numerous benefits. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Be blessed as always. Bye bye.